everyone, behind me is my Airstream, and in front of me is my new partnership with Greenworks, who produce tools made with lithium batteries and easy to travel with for things like my Airstream or my Toyota trucks. And this is the complete travel kit for your vehicle. Comes with everything from the pump station and small vacuum that's actually hybrid. It can be powered or it can be used with battery power. This also has a light. It also has the accessories to pump up bicycle tires as well, things like that. You can see behind me is also our Greenworks scooters that we fold up and bring with us on the road. It's all through this 24-volt lithium battery system. They are really easy to charge with these small portable chargers. So you stick them in and then we can apply them to any of these products. I'm always do it yourself, and being an RVer, you're doing it yourself quite often. So you need to see things at night, because that's usually when something goes wrong, right? There's a little portable light. This is all based on the 24-volt lithium system. Here's a jack, an electric jack, that with the battery system. Click it in, turn it on, lift it up and down. It even comes with a little light so you can see what you're doing if it's at night, or see underneath the vehicle. This is a dual axle system on my RV, and that helps to make changing tires a little bit easier than a single axle. Pretty cool, light and small, and for the most part, hands-free lift. Another cool tool is this guy. So this is another set of lights. So these are run off one 24-volt system, and these are kind of like hood lights almost for a car or anything really, but they're great for hanging. It's a full panel. I'll probably use these for photography as well. As you can see, they fold back up, and there's a magnet that keeps them together. Really light, and they fold up nice and tight. Can't go anywhere without a drill. And this is definitely handy. It comes with sockets for all the most common sizes you have. So most often is putting the jacks up and down on the RV once we get to site. All light, very durable, portable vacuum. Now this thing's rad. And there's different amp hour batteries that can be put in all of these. You can start out with the smallest one, works fine. And this guy, quick changeover, and you could put it as a vacuum. Obviously, wet vac, get inside, empty it out, and so on. Small, handy, portable. This also folds back up and goes into place just like that. The last thing I want to go over, lights, the tripod stand. This is right down here, clicks right into place. This is also a hybrid tool, which means you can plug it in or you can use battery power. So you can see lots of different angles, and as well as it's a tripod, so it can go pretty high up, telescope, wherever you want. It folds up as well very easily. You can see that's the hybrid power, that is the battery power area. These guys go up and down, very easy to put back. That's my Greenworks kit that will be traveling with us very frequently on the road. Hope you enjoyed it. They're very good quality tools, and I can't wait to try them all. Take care, and don't forget to be ocean-minded.